Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 373. Add an agent. It only takes a few clicks to add a Copilot Studio Agent for the users of your Power Pages site. In this tip, we'll look at how that is done. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. Within the Power Pages Design Studio, head to the Setup workspace and go to Agents under the AI Assistance area. Toggle Site Agent to On. This will create a Copilot Studio Agent that knows about the content of your site, as well as any additional Dataverse tables that you configure. Now all you need to do to share this agent with your users is choose which web roles the agent is available for. Click the ellipses button beside your new agent and click Edit. Now select the roles. In this case, I'll choose all authenticated users. Once I preview my site and sign in, the agent is accessible in the bottom right corner of the page. The agent is initially created as a trial, but you'll need Copilot Studio capacity in order to leverage this functionality once the trial expires. In our next tip, we'll look at how we can configure what other data from Dataverse is available to the agent. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 373 on Add an Agent useful.